Recently, I cleaned my studio and I just went back in time to track my progress, and I'm really grateful for the studio space that I have now. All of these were acquired over a long period of time. Patience, perseverance, and practice was key. Of course, this wouldn't be possible without the support of my family, friends, and clients. This is just the beginning, and there's a lot more that I need to learn. I want to do something good and connect to people with my music. If you've been holding back from something that you would like to do, then it's time for you to take some action. If I can do it, so can you. More content on music, productivity, and life in general coming your way. So join me on this journey, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to ding that bell icon to get notified.